Hey, it's Mike with the morning market update. It's April 1st, 2021, and take a look at all the indexes are positive right now. The S&P 500 is up over a third of a percent after being up over a third of a percent yesterday. Go ahead, take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's almost up almost 1% after being up over 1.5% yesterday. So looks like tech is doing really well. The 52-week high is at 338, so still about a little less than 10% away from its 52-week high. You can see it's kind of in a trading range right now, but if it can break higher, like I think it will during this month, we may see some all new highs before the end of the month. We go ahead and take a look at the small caps, which have been really getting hurt in March. Is up in the pre-market, almost 0.5% up after being up over 1.1% yesterday. 52-week high on the IWM ETF is 234. We're at 220, so about 5% away. As you can see here, March wasn't really that fun for small cap stocks, but it looks like small caps will be doing really well today and probably this month because April is usually one of the strongest times of the year for stocks. Also interesting is that gold is up after being up again yesterday. Now, usually S&P and gold, when they both move up, that means that the S&P 500 is about to move down. So it's kind of unusual to see gold moving up with the other indexes. So we may see a little bit of a pullback, maybe at the tail end of the day or tomorrow. But like I said, when the markets are all moving up, usually gold will move down. So kind of a little unusual to see gold move up with that. And go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin now. Kind of interesting what's going on with Bitcoin right now. It's hanging around $59,000. It hasn't really moved much in the past day, pretty much in a range. However, Bitcoin was positive for the month of March, and the month of March is usually the weakest month of the year for Bitcoin, and April is usually one of the strongest months of the year for Bitcoin. In fact, the average rise in price in Bitcoin during the month of April is 51%. Don't know if we'll get that kind of rise this year, but I do anticipate that Bitcoin will rise to its all-time high of 61,000. I've seen some targets of about 68,000 for a short-term high, so maybe keep your eye on Bitcoin. And while you're at it, the stock of the day, just to give you a little sneak preview, is going to be Marathon Digital Holdings. It was up almost 9% yesterday, and the pre-market's up over 3.5%. I think Marathon's going to do really well. If it could break past its 52-week high, I think it could go much higher. In fact, I have an April price target of $60 a share on Marathon, so you may want to check out that stock of the day video right there. But looking at the stock market right now in general, everything is positive right now. The 10-year note did move down from 173 to 171, so that's also a positive. I do think the month of April is going to be very positive for stocks. We maybe get a little bit of a pullback now that we've had, a run up yesterday and maybe a run up today. Maybe we get a little bit of selling at the end of the day. But overall, I think things are going to be really good. So there might be some opportunities to get some short-term gains here. Now, as we get out of April, I think May, June, and July may be kind of challenging, or we get maybe sideways or choppy trading during the summer. The exception to the rule may be Bitcoin because we're kind of in the we're past the halving point on Bitcoin, so it may do a run up. My target on Bitcoin is 100,000 by the end of the year, so I think it'll run up. If you're looking for anything after April, I would say go for big dividend-paying stocks like your Home Depots and Home Depot, Walmart. I did a video a while ago on Simon Property Group. Those are the kind of stocks you're going to want to look at, not now, but at the tail end of April. If you take some profit, a company like Simon Property Group has a 4.5% dividend yield, a P/E ratio of 31. So just realize that the nice run up we're getting the past couple of days will probably last through the month of April, but then after that, you're going to want to get defensive again. So that's what I have for the morning market update. If there anything noteworthy comes up, I will be posting it. Regular updates throughout the day, not only on my Discord, but on my YouTube posts. Okay, thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to like the video and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do daily market updates as well as do stock of the day videos and market strategy videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.